Alright, welcome back. So we're going to be working on the Jeep again, surprise. So we are going to be working on the sway bar drop on this thing because we lifted it just a little bit higher, where we control arm dropped it, lifted it, so it's rubbing on the springs a little bit. So we're going to drop it down and move it forward with our rough country kit that we got here. So without further ado, let's just quickly put it on there. It should be super simple. So let's get done. There we go, it is installed both sides as you can see, and then it is definitely adjustable because there's different slots in different areas, so you're just gonna have to play around with it, see where it looks best. I had to basically go to the max as far that way as I could just to get the clearance I wanted right here. Otherwise, it could still rub on the springs, but I think it's gonna do the job. So it looks pretty dang good on both sides. It drops it down just a little bit, so if you're worried about clearance, there's a little bit of that, but it's not too bad. And it's pretty close to the tires. So overall, I call this a success. That's the video, guys, and if you want to see where we put the spacers on the front end, because we've been doing a lot of front end work on this thing, just check right there. And then that's pretty much all it. So I will see you later, guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. See ya. Whoop.